Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Catamill Man Spin. Obviously knowing how to do a Catamill and a Man Spin already would be helpful, so I'll put links to those in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them it's easy and quick for you to find them. Jumping straight in, a Catamill Man Spin looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right like a standard Catamill, semicircle push, send the lady back, guys step back, moving out of the way to the left, we sweep the lady through. We're going for a one-handed lean, but we want to be changing into the man's left hand just before the lean happens. So we're actually leaning, holding with the left rather than the right. So whereas in a normal Catamill you could change before or after the lean, this version you have to do before. From here, all we're going to do as a fella is start turning left, back up, take the spare arm over the top so we get it out of the way as we lead the lady forwards. So we're going through to do our man spin as the lady comes past, catch, return and back. So let's do it again from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweep 2, switch hands lean 3, spin past 4, catch 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's try it together. Here we go. Man's right, lady's right, 5, 6, a Catamill Man Spin. You go a back, sweep, swap, spin, catch, return and back. And before anyone says in the comments, I know it's not technically a spin because it's not 360 degrees, but it's still called a spin. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, thank you to people who do that. Subscribing promotes the channel, big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell will mean you get told, if it's got notifications turned on, every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice for you to practice this particular move to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.